ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾನು ಮೋಹಿತ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ Z5 Reaction. So guys, fasten your seatbelts because today we gonna react and review one of the most iconic movies of Kannada cinema, and the movie name is Om, starring Shivraj Kumar sir and Prema. And this crime drama film is directed by Upendra sir. Guys, before starting the reaction, let me tell you a plot story of this movie, guys. So basically, this film revolves around rowdyism and how a gangster quits his negative life, and it also motivates to quit rowdyism and lead a happy life. So guys, this was a short summary of this movie, and guys, today we have come up to react on an epic entry scene of Satya in bracket Shivraj Kumar from the movie Om. Let's watch it.
Anna, akkana birthday anta avar maavana maga kottiro gift idu.
It's a gift. Who is he? Nice thriller music. Shivana. Wow. He is doing an intense role.
Tago. Uttanba.
Is he playing a role of gangster, guys? Please tell me. Nice music. I think he loves her. Wow. Guys, is she Prema? Oh sorry, Prema. Please tell me. Is she Prema?
ದಂತದ ಬೊಂಬೆ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅದು I love you.
You idiot scoundrel! ನನಗೆ ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಡಿಸ್ತೀಯ? ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. I hate you.
ಯಾಕೆ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ? ನೋಡು, ನಾನು ಕೂಡನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುದ್ಕನ ಸರಿ ಕಣ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡು, ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? ಏಯ್, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸು ಬಿಡು, ನಾನಂತೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಣ್ಣ ಚಂದ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ನಿನ್ನ ದೇಹದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಇಂಚಿಂಚು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ನೀ ಯಾರೇ? ನೋಡೆ, ನೀನನ್ನ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಯಾವ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹುಡುಗ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡು, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಗ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಲವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೀನ್ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು, ನಾನಂತೂ ನೀನ್ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಲವ್. ಹೇಳು, ಯಾವ ಮಗನ ಅಂತ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹೇಳೆ, ಯಾವ ಮಗನ ಅಂತ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹೇಳು.
His dialogue delivery, guys.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರ್ಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಗೋ ಪ್ರಸಾದ, ತಗೋ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಲವಂತವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸುಖ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮಧು, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ದಿನ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡು ನೋಡು, ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ.
Wow. It's a heart-shaped cake.
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೇಕ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಧು. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Madhu. Happy birthday to my love.
Guys, to be honest, in my opinion, this was the massiest entry scene ever made in Indian cinema, with terrific BGMs, and the way Shivanna performed his character of an intense lover was just superb. And credits to the director Upendra sir for taking the shots in 90s. The way he was taking the shots was so amazing and so unique. And guys, here are the top 5 reasons why you should watch this classic film of Shivanna and Prema. So guys, the first reason is this was the very first Kannada film based on underworld, based on rowdyism, and this film revolves around the lives of underworld dons, and that create a huge success and create a trend in Sandalwood. Second big reason, guys, real life gangsters in this movie. The director Upendra sir brought a real life rowdies just to make sure the message in this movie reached people effectively, and this film motivates a real life gangsters to leave underworld and live a clean life. Guys, Upendra sir has also revealed once that it wasn't easy to approach them and make them act in the movie. Third reason is Shivraj Kumar and Upendra combination, and this combination created huge wonders in Sandalwood, and it was a career changing movie for Prema as well. Fourth reason is music by Hamsa Lekha. The music was like cherry on the cake for the movie, guys, and the line "I love you, you must love me" and the background music was highlight and still loved by many people. Fifth and the very main reason is this movie is a record-breaking film in Kannada film industry and won many awards. So guys, these were the 5 reasons why you should watch this movie, and I'm gonna watch this for sure. मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है. And please tell me which is your favorite scene of this movie. Please tell me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for daily reaction and reviews videos like this. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Bye, take care, love you all. Bye guys.